Welcome to our classes. I am Dr. KK Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on financial mathematics. This is part 3rd. Now come to the questions. Question number dash is the math of finance whereby interest is earned over time by saving or investing money. A. Future value. B. Present value. C. Principal. D. Time value of money. Correct option is D. Time value of money. 2. What concept involves earning interest on interest in addition to interest on the principal or initial investment? A. Discounting. B. The principal value. C. Inflation. D. Compounding. Correct option is D. Compounding. 3. The arithmetic process whereby a future value decreases at a compound interest rate over time to reach a payment value is known as dash. A. Discounting. B. Inflation. C. Compounding. D. Future value. Correct option is A. Discount. 4. Recall the 4 variables from the future value equations. PV is equal to present value, EV future value, R interest rate and N number of periods. As long as we know the values for any 3 of these variables, we can solve to find what information. Correct option is B. 4th or unknown variable. 5. A shortcut method referred to as dash can be used to approximate the time required for an investment to double in value. A. The future value equation. B. The time value of money equation. C. The rule of 72. D. Discounting. Correct option is C. The rule of 7. 6. What type of annuity exists when the equal payments or receipts occur at the end of each time period? A. An ordinary annuity. B. A basic annuity. C. An annuity due. Or D. A compound annuity. Correct option is A. An ordinary annuity. 7. Which of the following would you need to use in order to determine the present value of an annuity? The correct option is B. The amount of equal cash flow payment to be received each year for the next 5 years. 8. Many present value problems also involve cash flow annuities. Usually these are what type of annuity? A. A compound annuity. B. An annuity due. C. A basic annuity. Or D. An ordinary annuity. Correct option is D. An ordinary annuity. 9. All of these are variables in interest rate or time period equations except which term? A. PV. B. FV. C. Interest rate. D. CV. The correct option is D. Compound value. 10. In many situations, compounding or discompounding may dash. Correct option is A. Occur more often than annually. 11. Dash is repaid in equal payments over a specified time period. So your correct option is B. Amortized loan. 12. Dash typically have interest rate tied to the bank prime rate or the treasury bill rate, which normally are lower than the long-term interest rates on fixed rate mortgage loans. It also makes it easier for borrowers with low credit scores and those that want to borrow larger amounts of money to acquire a mortgage loan. So the correct option is A. ARMs. 13. Dash is the act of lending money at an excessively high interest rate. The correct option is A. Usury. From among the options available, amortization, saving or larceny. Correct option is A. Usury. 14. What measures the true interest rate when compounding occurs more frequently than once a year? Correct option is B. EAR. 15. Banks, finance companies and other lenders are required by the truth in lending law to do all the following except, correct option is D, disclose their lending interest rates to the individual credit of all banks customer to the general public. 16. Money has time value because here both B, in fact all B, C, D of above are correct. B, that is money today is more certain than money tomorrow. C, money today is worth more than money tomorrow in terms of purchasing power. D, there is possibility of earning risk-free return on money invested today. 17. Given an amount of rupees 10,000 to be invested for 1 year, A. It is better to invest in a scheme that pays 10% simple interest. B. It is better to invest in a scheme that pays 10% annual compound interest. Or C. Both A and B. Correct option is C. Both A and B provide the same return. 18. Given an investment of rupees 10,000 for a period of 1 year, it is better to invest in a scheme that pays, correct option is D, 12% interest compounded daily. 19. In fact, some of these questions had been covered in previous video tutorial also. 19. Given an investment of rupees 10,000 over a period of 2 years, it is better to invest in a scheme that pays. Here correct option is C, that both A and B provide the same return. 20. The rule of 72 is used to find A. Approximate doubling period given the interest rate R. B. Approximate interest rate given the doubling period N. Or C. Both A and B are correct. So C. Both A and B above. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.